In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a space to another workspace in Clickup. Whether you're reorganizing your projects or simply need to shift resources, this process will help you efficiently move spaces between workspaces in a few easy steps. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to Clickup by visiting their website. Once you're there, locate the login button, which should be visible on the home page. Click on it to continue. If you've set up your ClickUp account to integrate with Google, you'll want to click on Sign In with Google. This will direct you to the Google account selection screen. Go ahead and select your desired Google account that's associated with your ClickUp profile. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your ClickUp dashboard. Here, you need to look through your spaces and select the one you wish to move. To do this, find the desired space in the sidebar, hover over it, and click on the three dots for more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the templates and then click on Save as Template. This action will allow you to create a template of the selected space. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new template. Choose a name that will be easily recognizable for later use. After you've named your template, click Save Template to finalize this part of the process. With the template saved, we can now proceed to move this space. Head back to the same space, click the three dots again, and select Templates just like before. Then click on Browse Templates where you'll locate the new space template you just saved. With the template in sight, select it and find the Share button. Clicking Share will give you an option to copy the template link. Do so with the copy link icon provided. Now look towards the top left of your ClickUp dashboard to find your profile icon. Click it and you should see the different workspaces associated with your account. Select the workspace where you want to move your space. With the new workspace open, paste the copied template link into the URL bar of your browser and hit enter. This action will redirect you to the template within the new workspace. Finally, click on Use Template to import it into the new workspace. This will effectively move your desired space from one workspace to another while maintaining all your tasks and structure. And there you have it. You've successfully moved a space to another workspace in ClickUp. This straightforward method ensures that your projects stay organized across different teams or departments without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.